Okay, here's my 88 Ford F-150. That's the vacuum canister that I brazed with the Magnagas, Octane Magnagas 2. Nice and gold. It was all rusty. I can buy one of these things for like 40 bucks, but then I have to wait to get it, and it's kind of fun to use the Magnagas. And I like the way the gold looks. I have to coat it with some Penetrol, which I'll do later. And then I had problems with this. I had this car running with some Magnagas co-combustion because it had a vacuum leak. And I made this $5 pickle jar smoke machine, and it really worked well. And I found the vacuum leak. It was over here on this green vacuum hose, and I fixed it with some epoxy, and it's running nice now. I replaced the EGR valve, which is right here, because I think I broke the other one. I thought I was testing it. I tried to push it back with the screwdriver, and the smoke machine showed that it was leaking. I don't know if I ruined it. It was old anyway, so you know, it doesn't hurt to have a new one. I don't even know if it has to go through emissions, but I don't want to create too much nitrous oxide, you know, smog. Alright, well, that's about it. Ford.